Welcome to Investify, where we unravel the complexities of the stock market and bring you insights that matter. Today, we're diving deep into a name that's been a buzzword in the market, Tesla. You've heard the debates, the predictions, and the myriad of opinions. But here, we cut through the noise to bring you the facts that count. Buckle up as we embark on this electrifying journey into Tesla's world, a company that's more than just cars. Let's start with a recent development that has caught everyone's attention. HSBC, a giant in the banking sector, has initiated coverage on Tesla, setting a rather conservative price target of $146. Why is this significant? Well, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the perspective. HSBCs Valuation steers the conversation about Tesla in a new direction. The question arises, is Tesla just an electric vehicle, EV manufacturer, or is it something more? This is where Tesla stands out. Imagine a company that's not just producing cars, but is revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. Tesla's approach goes beyond the assembly line. It's about integrating cutting-edge data technology into every vehicle that rolls out. This isn't just manufacturing, it's innovation at its finest, blurring the lines between an automobile company and a tech powerhouse. Now, let's talk numbers, because they never lie. Tesla's financials are a testament to their unique strategy. For every car Tesla sells, it pockets a profit of $8,000 to $9,000. Let that sink in. Meanwhile, traditional automakers like Ford are struggling, with a staggering loss of $36,000 per electric car. What does this tell us? Tesla is not just playing the game, it's changing it. But the magic doesn't stop there. Consider Tesla's efficiency in plant investment. A whopping $7 billion investment yields an annual return of $15 billion. It's like planting a tree and watching it bear double the fruits every year. This level of efficiency is unheard of in the traditional industrial sector, where a good year might see a 15–20% return on capital. Tesla is smashing these benchmarks, redefining what's possible in the automobile industry. And speaking of industry, let's take a brief journey through time. The automobile sector has been a story of evolution, with its golden era of innovation in the early 1900s. Fast forward to the 1950s, and you see a shift towards profitability over innovation, leading to a stagnation that many argue crippled the industry's growth. Tesla is breaking this cycle, bringing back the spirit of innovation that once defined the automobile world. If you're finding this deep dive into Tesla as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay with us at Investify for more insights that can redefine your investment strategies. Now, let's get back to unraveling the Tesla enigma. Let's shift gears to Tesla's position in the global market, a position that's about more than just sales. Imagine this. Every day, Tesla's fleet of around 3 million cars gathers data over 100 million miles. That's like circling the globe over 4,000 times daily. This data is not just numbers, it's a goldmine of information, driving Tesla towards an unprecedented leadership in computing power within the automotive industry. But where does Tesla stand in the current electric car market? As of now, electric vehicles make up about 10% of the 80 million cars produced annually worldwide. Tesla is not just a part of this segment, it's a catalyst for its growth. The company's innovative approach is challenging the traditional dealership model, reshaping how cars are sold and serviced. Moreover, Tesla's employee compensation model stands out. It's not just about salaries, it's about making employees stakeholders in the company's success, a strategy that's paying off in both morale and productivity. Now, let's look at Tesla's astonishing growth trajectory. From producing 41,000 cars a year between 2014 and 2016, Tesla has revved up its engines to an impressive 1.8 million cars a year. This exponential growth is not just a number, it's a statement. Tesla is scaling up and fast. Tesla's global expansion plans are equally ambitious, especially in China and Europe. In China, Tesla has achieved something extraordinary: operational independence. A feat no other foreign automaker has managed. This strategic move not only cements Tesla's presence in the world's largest car market, but also opens doors to unparalleled growth opportunities. But Tesla's vision goes beyond dominating existing markets. It's about making electric cars accessible to more people. Imagine a world where a high-performance electric car doesn't cost you a fortune. Tesla is working towards this future, with plans to roll out more affordable models and expand its global manufacturing footprint. This is not just about selling cars, it's about driving a global shift towards sustainable transportation. In the realm of electric vehicles, competition is heating up. Take Cruise, for instance, a company in which a $30 million investment has been made. Each Cruise car is equipped with technology that costs a whopping $250,000, illustrating the high entry barriers in the autonomous driving sector. But how does Tesla compare in this high-stakes race? Tesla's ace in the hole is its software and autonomous driving capabilities. It's not just about the hardware. Tesla's software integration makes its cars smarter, safer, and more efficient. This is where Tesla pulls ahead, turning vehicles into more than just machines. They become intelligent companions on the road. This software prowess gives Tesla a significant edge over competitors, making it a leader not just in EV manufacturing, but in the future of autonomous driving. To fully appreciate Tesla's journey, it's crucial to understand the economic backdrop against which it's unfolding. Let's rewind to the 1960s, a decade marked by social unrest and tumultuous economic conditions. Despite these challenges, it was also a period of significant growth and innovation. Drawing parallels to today's world, we see a similar pattern. Despite social and economic upheavals, technological advancement and market growth continue at an unprecedented pace. Looking at the Dow Jones and GDP growth from the 1960s to the present paints a vivid picture. The Dow Jones, which was around 1,000 points in the 1960s, has surged to over 34,000 points now. Similarly, the GDP has grown from $800 billion to a staggering $27 trillion. These figures are not just statistics. They're a testament to the relentless progress of our economy. This brings us to a key aspect of investing, understanding the impact of inflation and shaping your investment philosophy accordingly. Inflation, a subtle yet powerful force, can erode the value of money over time. A savvy investor accounts for this, adapting their strategy to not just preserve but grow their wealth. In this context, Tesla's growth story offers a compelling case for investment in innovation-driven companies. As we near the end of our Tesla Odyssey, let's gaze into the crystal ball and speculate on what the future holds for this trailblazing company. The predictions for Tesla's business value and revenue growth are not just optimistic, they're stratospheric. Tesla is expected to continue its trajectory, not merely as a car manufacturer, but as a key player in defining the future of automotive technology. This isn't about maintaining the status quo, it's about redefining it. When we talk about market growth, Tesla is not just riding the wave, it's creating it. The company is poised to be a significant contributor to the advancement of automotive technology, particularly in the realms of sustainability and automation. The future where cars are not only electric but also smart and interconnected is no longer a distant dream. Tesla is making it a reality, and the market is taking note. Lastly, let's talk about the broader perspective of investing, using the growth of Bear Stearns Capital as a case study. From a humble beginning with $10 million under management, Bear Stearns Capital saw its assets swell to $41 billion. This growth story is not just about numbers, it's about the vision and the relentless pursuit of opportunities, much like Tesla's journey. In conclusion, Tesla's story is more than just a corporate saga. It's a blueprint for innovation, resilience, and foresight in a rapidly changing world. As investors and enthusiasts, it's a narrative we can learn from and be inspired by. So, if you've enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla and the insights we've shared, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Investify for more content that helps you stay ahead in the investment game. Remember, in the world of investing, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. Until next time, keep investing, keep learning, and keep growing with Investify.